Nest Kids Song. Come on, let's get it. Squish, 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 roll, roll, roll. Play-Dough, Play-Dough, here we go. Squish it, roll it round. Pat it down. Big ball, small ball, roll, roll, roll. Make more balls, go, go, go. Put them in a line, nice and slow. Add 2 eyes, hello, hello. Look, 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 what do you see? A little caterpillar, happy as can be. Squish, 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 roll, roll, roll. What can we make? Here we go. Pat it down, make a cake. Round on top, nice and great. Add a cherry on the top. Push it down, pop, pop, pop. Now make a house, small and sweet. Make a flower, make a tree. Put them here, put them there. Play-Dough fun everywhere. Squish, 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 roll, yo, roll. Look at what we made today. A little Play-Dough town. Hooray, hooray. Time to clean, put it away. Close the box, all done today. Bye, Play-Dough, see you soon. We can make more next time.
Hooray! That was so much fun, Magic Nest friends. If you loved today's song, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. More singing, dancing, and magic is coming your way. See you soon, little dreamers. Keep smiling and keep shining with Magic Nest Kids.